Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smart Learning with Sontakke sir. Today we are going to study the bridge course of Standard 10, Day 22 and 23rd exercise. Let's go, we will see Day 22nd exercise. In this, first question is, draw segment AB of length 4.7 cm and bisect it. Here, to see the construction, how to construct the perpendicular bisector of given segment. Now we will see the steps of construction. First step is, draw segment AB of length 4.7 cm and write the measure 4.7 cm in the figure. Then keep metal point of a compass on point A and take more than half distance AB and draw the arcs on the both sides of the segment AB. Keep the same distance in the compass and keep metal point of a compass on point B and draw arcs which will intersect the previously drawn arcs which is shown in the figure, and draw a line passing through them. This is the construction to draw the perpendicular bisector of given segment. Second question is, draw line X. Take any point on it. Draw line Y from point A perpendicular to line X. Now see the construction. Perpendicular drawn from a point, the point which is lie on the line. Second example, steps of construction are: first, draw a line X. Take any point A on it. Pointed end of a compass on a point P and draw two arcs on the line X on both sides of point A at same distance and name the points P and Q. Now with P as a center and radius equal to more than half of the distance PQ, draw arcs on both sides of line X. Next, keeping the same distance in the rounder, keep pointed end of the rounder at point B. Draw two arcs which intersect previous arcs. Draw a line passing through the point of intersection of these two arcs. This line is perpendicular to line X at point A. This is the construction. Third question is, draw segment PQ of length 5.7 cm. Take any point R on it such that length of QR is equal to 3 cm and P dash R dash Q. Draw perpendicular segment PQ from point R. Means in this sum, draw the perpendicular segment that point lie on a given segment. Now see the construction of this. Now answer of third question. First, draw segment PQ of length 5.7 cm and name it PQ and write the distance of PQ is 5.7 cm. Then take a point R on PQ such that in a compass take 3 cm distance and draw an arc on PQ of length 3 cm on segment PQ. Write the measures. Now R as a center, take some distance, make two arcs on PQ. In this way, make two arcs and name it A and B. Now keep pointed end of a compass on A and make two arcs on both the side of segment PQ with same distance. Now B as a center, make two intersected arcs. Draw the line LM, and this is the required construction of question number 3rd. Next, fourth question is, draw a circle of diameter 7.3 cm. Draw chord XY of length 5.7 cm. Now see the steps of the construction. Now answer of fourth question is, first draw a segment of distance 7.3 cm and name it as AB and write the distance, that is 7.3 cm. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. For that, take more than half distance and A as a center. Make two arcs on the both sides of segment AB. Keep the same distance B as a center. Intersect the arcs drawn first and then draw the line passing through the intersection points of the arcs, which is shown in the figure. This line is intersect at point M. Now M as a center and MA as a radius, draw a circle passing through the points A and B. Now AB is the diameter of a circle. Then we want to draw a chord XY. For that, by using scale, take 5.7 cm distance in a scale and on a circle, take any point on a circle and make an arc. This distance is of 4.7 cm and this is a chord XY of length 5.7 cm. This is the required construction of question number 4. Let's go to see day 23rd exercise. In this, first question is, in triangle STU, length of ST is equal to 6 cm, length of TU is equal to 4.5 cm and length of SU is equal to 5 cm. Then construct triangle STU. Now see the steps of the construction of a triangle whose three sides are given. Answer of first question is, first draw TU of 4.5 cm by using scale and name it as TU of distance 4.5 cm. Now we want to draw the side ST of triangle STU. For that, by using scale, take 6 cm distance and T as a center, make the arc above side of segment TU and another side of a triangle, that is SU, of 5 cm. For that, take 5 cm distance in a compass and U as a center. Intersect the first arc. The intersection point is S. Then join the TS, which is of 6 cm right there, and join the side of triangle SU, and the distance of SU is 5 cm. This is the construction of triangle STU if three sides of a triangle are given. Second question of this exercise. In triangle DEF, length of DE is equal to 5.5 cm, major angle E is equal to 70 degree and length of EF is equal to 6.3 cm. Then construct triangle DEF. This is the construction of triangle when two sides including angle is given. Now see the steps of the construction. Now in second example, we want to construct triangle DEF. In this triangle, two sides and one angle is given. Now here we will take segment EF as a base, which is 6.3 cm given. Therefore, first draw a segment of EF 6.3 cm, name it EF and write the measure 6.3 cm. Now measure of angle E is given, that is 70 degree. Therefore, by using protractor, take a point at 70 degree. Now draw ray EP, then distance of DE or ED is given 5.5 cm. Take a 5.5 cm distance, make an arc on EP, that is our point D. The length of D is 5.5 cm. Then join D and F point, and this is the required construction of a triangle. Two sides and one angle is given. Third question of this exercise is, in triangle PQR, length of PR is equal to 7 cm, measure angle P is equal to 40 degree and measure angle R is equal to 75 degree. Then construct triangle PQR. To see the construction in this sum, the construction of triangle when two angles including side is given, then construct the given triangle. See the steps of the construction. In third question, we want to construct triangle PQR. In this triangle, one side and two angles are given. That side is a base of a triangle, that is PR. Therefore, first draw PR of length 7 cm and name it PR and write the distance 7 cm. Now angle P is given, which is 40 degree. By using protractor, make a point on 40 degree and draw ray PA, which is shown in the figure. Next, angle R is given 75 degree. Therefore, by using protractor, make a mark on 70 degree and draw a ray RA. The intersection point is nothing but the point Q, and this is the required triangle. In this triangle, two angles and one side is given. This is the required construction of triangle PQR. In these two angles and one side is given. Fourth question is, draw any angle ABC, construct another angle PQR, construct two angle ABC without using protractor. Now see the construction of this sum. Now fourth question answer is, draw any angle ABC. Here any angle is drawn ABC and we want to construct another angle PQR which is congruent to ABC without using protractor. For this, first draw ray QR, which is shown in the. Now take P as the center and may draw an arc which intersects the side AB and BC of angle ABC at XY. With same distance, make another arc of the side QR of triangle PQR. Then Y as the center, take in compass XY distance, make an arc on side AB. Take same distance, make another arc. The intersection points of the two arcs is P, and draw ray QP, which is shown in the figure. In this way, we can construct the two congruent angles without using protractor. Fifth question of this exercise is, draw segment MN of length 6.5 cm, divide in the ratio 3:2. Means divide the given segment in the given ratio. This construction we will see now. Here answer of fifth question. First draw segment MN of length 6.5 cm and name it. Next, draw a ray MA making an acute angle with MN. Now with the help of compass, make marks. Here ratio is 3:2 given. Therefore 5 marks points at equal distance on ray MA. Name them as M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5, which is shown in the. Then join the N and M5. Draw a parallel segment to segment M5 from M3. Parallel line drawn from M3 will intersect segment MN. Name the point as O. Point O is a point on segment MN which divides it in the ratio 3:1. This construction you know in 8th standard. Now draw a parallel line which intersects the MN at O.